Which Indian state has hosted Tiger Triumph? Andhra Pradesh. Which variant of the fighter jets from the Indian Air Force participated in Exercise Red Flag 2024? Rafale. Konkan naval exercise is conducted between which two countries? India, United Kingdom. The 9th Joint Military Exercise LAMITIYE 2022 has been held between India and Seychelles. The 20th edition of the bilateral naval exercise, Varuna, is being conducted between India and country in the Arabian Sea in March to April 2022. France. Which Indian naval ship participated JMAC's 24 naval exercise between Indian Navy and the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force? Stealth frigate in Sivalik at Yokosuka. Which country will host the first multinational air exercise Tarang Shakti? India in August 2024. Indian Air Force Egyptian Air Force conducted which edition of exercise HOPEX? 4th Joint Exercise. Where did exercise Nomadic Elephant start on? Umroi, Meghalaya. The military exercise Matri has been organized. Thailand. What is the military exercise between India and Thailand? Matri 2024. Who conducts Purvi Lehar mega exercise to test maritime preparedness? The Indian Navy. What is the maritime exercise between India and USA? Sea Defenders 2024 culminated at Port Blair on March 9, 2024. What is the Samudra Laxman exercise? Indian and Malaysian navies conducted joint exercise off Vishakhapatnam under the 3rd edition of exercise Samudra Laksamana. Where was the Dosti 16 exercise held between India, Maldives and Sri Lanka? Maldives. Who organized the mega exercise Vayu Shakti 2024 at Pokhran Range in Jaisalmer? IAF. What is the Gagan Shakti military exercise? Seeks to evaluate integrated warfighting strategies and tactics in collaboration with the Indian Army and the Indian Navy. The 10th Joint Military Exercise Lamatier 2024 has been organized between India and which country? Seychelles. Where was the 12th edition of Naval Exercise Milan held? Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Which is the largest multinational naval exercise of the Indian Navy? RIMPAC. Joint exercise Dharma Guardian has been organized between India and which country? Japan. The military exercise Desert Cyclone 2024 has been organized between India and which country? India and UAE will hold Desert Cyclone 2024. The war exercise Steadfast Defender 2024 has been organized by whom? NATO. Which country will host the 2024 NATO summit? The United States is hosting the 2024 NATO summit, July 9 to 11, 2024, in Washington, D.C. Exercise Sahyog Kaijin 2024 organized between India and which country? Japan. In which location is the Red Flag 24 exercise taking place? Eielson Air Force Base, Alaska. What is Exercise Desert Night? Exercise Desert Night is a joint military exercise between India, France, and the United Arab Emirates, UAE. When is the Sea Dragon Exercise 2024? From 9 to 24 January, organized by U.S. Navy. What is the first naval exercise between India and Thailand? The maiden India-Thailand naval exercise, conducted in December 2023, has been named Ex-Ayutthaya. Which two countries participated in the joint military exercise named DISLIC 2024? India, Uzbekistan.